Google has been working on its first ever foldable smartphone from its Pixel series for a while now. Google phones have literally been spotted on planes, trains, and automobiles ahead of their official unveiling. The latest example of this are blurry shots of what's possibly a Pixel Fold, thus making this the first live leak. Just recently, an image had been shared on Reddit. The user who shared this image claimed that the live image of the foldable device is the upcoming Pixel Fold. The Reddit user also added that the foldable smartphone featured a blue color with thin bezels and was being carried by an employee of the search engine giant. Out of all the images that were uploaded, only a single one was clear, while the rest was blurry. The first 3 images are quite blurry, though the best one in the set lines up with a folded device that's being held in landscape orientation with the hinge facing the sky. In the bottom right corner, we can make out the curve of the screen. Up top, we can roughly see the outer display's edge and then a metallic reflective hinge. This appears to be the black model, with previous leak renders showing lighter and darker variants. The fourth shot shows the screen in full, though the top edge is covered and we don't see the front-facing camera, which should be at the right in the pictures. In person, the bezels are said to be rather thin. It's tough to make out exactly what the phone looks like, but the aspect ratio definitely looks more in line with what we've seen from early Pixel Fold renders and the Pixel 7 Pro. A supposed Google employee got on board a train in NYC at 14th Street, which is also where the company's office is situated. Furthermore, the Redditor added that the camera bump on the back as well as the UI of the device is what made them recognize the Pixel Fold. Interestingly enough, the user added that the person was trying to hide the camera bump. Unfortunately, this was all the discernible information available from this live sighting. Besides these shots, the Redditor says they saw the camera bump bar, which is the most distinctive aspect of modern Pixel phones. As bad as Google is at keeping a secret, this leak should be taken with a bucket of salt. Nevertheless, just today, Google announced the date for its annual developer conference. Google S/O 2023 will take place on May 10th and could potentially serve as the venue for the official unveiling of the Google Pixel Fold. At the very least, we can expect an update or some sort of teaser. So what are your thoughts on these new pictures, which claims to be upcoming foldable from Google? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more Pixel news, you can check out our channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.